Discover the most effective recipes for cleansing your blood vessels and maintaining excellent blood flow. By incorporating these recipes into your diet, you can protect yourself from dangerous conditions like sclerosis, hypertension, and angina pectoris, ensuring long-lasting well-being. As a result of consuming these recipes, you will experience numerous benefits. Headaches will diminish, memory will sharpen, blood pressure will resemble that of a child, and your productivity will significantly increase. A surge of energy and strength will revive your youthful vigor. Improper nutrition contributes to the formation of cholesterol plaques on blood vessel walls, narrowing them and impeding blood circulation. However, certain foods, such as garlic and onions, possess remarkable properties that fortify and enhance the elasticity of blood vessel walls, providing them with added tone. These natural gifts from nature aid in breaking down cholesterol clots, dissolving them within the blood vessels. Onions and garlic contain aluminum and selenium, facilitating smoother blood circulation while nourishing cells with essential nutrients and oxygen. This overall improvement will greatly benefit your health. Before embarking on a vascular cleanse, it is advisable to cleanse your liver and intestines. The efficacy of the cleanse and blood purification depends on the proper functioning of these organs. Additionally, it is important to reduce the consumption of fatty meats, starches, and gluten-rich foods. We have curated some effective recipes for vascular cleansing. Choose your favorite and share your experience in the comments below. You can simply eat onions and garlic, adding them to various dishes daily. Garlic can be used as cloves, slices, or crushed. To get rid of the smell, you need to remove the core of the garlic, and you can pour boiling water over the onions. Another way to get rid of the bad smell is to chew lemon and parsley. Utilize garlic oil. Crush a head of garlic into a paste and place it in a glass jar. Pour 1 cup of olive oil over it and refrigerate the mixture. The following day, it will be ready for consumption. Combine 1 teaspoon of the oil with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Take this mixture 3 times a day, 30 minutes before meals. Treat yourself to a healthy and delicious sandwich. Crush 2 cloves of garlic. Mix with the chopped kernels of 10 walnuts and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Smear the mass on the bread. Such a sandwich will not only be healthy, but also insanely nourishing. It is recommended to follow these recipes daily for 1 to 3 months, after which a break is advised. Share your thoughts on this video with us. To ensure you never miss out on informative videos about health and longevity, subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. Your well-being matters to us, and we're committed to providing you with valuable insights on health and longevity.